So today, hi everyone again. So today, we are going to go over financial literacy part 2, which is your gross monthly income and rent/mortgage budget. So I know I confused a lot of people with this between gross and net. Gross is just how much money do you earn, and net is how much money do you actually put into your pocket. Because the difference is with net, it's already taken into account taxes, fees, all that junk. Okay? That's just what the difference was, and I'm sorry for confusing you guys with that. But let's see what we need to include. So we're going to be submitting our gross monthly income and how much money we have for renting or mortgages. So if you watched the part 1 video, I showed you an example of how to determine your housing budget, but I'm going to show you here again. Okay, so in my past video, I put that I found a job as a school counselor, and I used the average wage, which was right. We're going to retype that up. So I clicked on this one by ZipRecruiter to get the average amount. So the average for a school counselor was $57,058 per year. Remember, if your job already had a set amount of how much you would be paid, then you would put that amount. If it shows that there's like a range from like for example, if it shows you this 35,000 to 86,000, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so if it shows you a range like this, you have to find out the average between these two numbers, the lower part and the higher part. So the way to find the average is you would put 35,000. That's not 35,000. Plus 86,000. And you would divide it by 2 because there's two numbers. So that would be $60,500. Give or take would be the average. That's how you would figure that out. But if you can find a set amount like this, then this is what we're going to do. Okay, let me get a new Word document going. Okay, so the salary for a school counselor is $57,058 annually. Now we have to figure out how much you would have monthly. And because there are 12 months in a year, what you would be doing is dividing this number by 12. So let's go ahead and let's do that. We have 57,058 divided by 12 because there's 12 months in a year. That means that our monthly budget is $4,754 and 0.8333333. We're going to be bringing it up to the nearest cent because we're talking about money. So we have to figure out if this is rounding up or down. We're going to be rounding up. So this would be, no wait, I'm sorry. We're going to be rounding to the same value. We're not going up, so it would be $4,754.83. So monthly salary is $4,754.83. Now we have to find out our housing budget. So our housing budget is 30% of that number. And one way that you can do this is you can actually just multiply that number by 0.3. So I'll show you now. $4,754.83, and we're multiplying by 0.3. That's going to lead us to $1,426.45. that this is our housing budget and how much we would be able to spend monthly. Um, and it's recommended to always uh, rent somewhere that is lower than your housing budget so that you have money to play with. But it's okay if it's 1,400. All right. Um, so we're gonna put 1426.45 is our housing budget. Now let's see if we have to include anything else. Let's see. We need our gross monthly income and our rent. We must include where we determined to pay for the job we submitted last week, and where you calculated your monthly income and how much money you had for rent mortgage. Okay, so I'm going to then include the link to this, which is going to show me the average amount that people earn in Florida. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So I hope that cleared up a lot of confusion. And if you have any questions, please feel free to message.